What's up, everybody? I'm back. My name is Raf. I'm the CEO of Rafs Coaching LLC, and welcome back to another episode of Rafswhiteboard. Today we're on episode 5. We're going to go through how to establish business credit using Net 30 accounts. When you're first starting off in business, you want to build business credit, get established, get credibility, but how do you do it first starting off? You may not be eligible to get approved for that business credit card or get a business loan. So how do you start building? Net 30s is a way that you can start building your business credit. This is a way we're going to go through today and talk about some of the top Net 30 accounts. What is a Net 30 and how do you get one established? All right, so let's get it going. So a Net 30 account, what is a Net 30 account? A Net 30 account is a payable term. So a Net 30 is that a company or a supplier or a vendor will be able to lend you out merchandise, office supplies, things of that sort, and you'll be payable back within 30 days. Now, if you see a Net 10, a Net 90, those terms are just the term of time to be able to pay back that invoice. So if it's 90 days to pay back the invoice, 30 days, 10 days, right? So that is the term Net 30. This is a great way to establish credibility and then also invoicing and a way to identify relationship building with your vendors and cash flow. So definitely recommend getting a Net 30 to get set up. How do you get a Net 30 set up? Some things you'll need to get set up with a Net 30. The first thing you'll need is your EIN number. That is the first thing that you want to be able to supply for your Net 30. The next thing some vendors may ask you for is your DUNS number. Your DUNS number is easy to get. If you need help setting it up, definitely feel free to reach out. So your EIN number, DUNS number, and some company information. Without any of these, you may not be able to apply for a Net 30 through your certain vendors. Today we'll go through some of the Net 30s that you can apply for that are great. The first one we will definitely cover is Uline. Believe it or not, I got the whiteboard from Uline for as low as $40. Paid it back on time within 30 days, and then it builds a relationship and a credit history. The second Net 30 I would definitely recommend will be Shirsley. This is a great one if you need merchandising. It's an on-demand printing company that allows you to get business cards, t-shirts, hats, office supplies, and more. The third one I would definitely recommend would be Quill. Quill is very similar to Uline, where you can get office supplies, you can get paper towels, you can get different type of supplies for your business, furniture, and the same thing, they're on a Net 30 term. So this is the Net 30 accounts available for you. This is how you get it set up. If you need more help and support setting up on your Net 30, feel free to reach out. We're here for you. We'll be able to take care of you right away. So after you set up your Net 30 accounts, again, as I mentioned earlier in the video, be sure to make your payments on time within 30 days to your vendors and suppliers. What this will do, this will establish, after you make the on-time payment, a pay debt score for your business credit report. This is super important because this shows the established relationships with your Net 30s, and to create that business pay debt score, it's super important to have your DUNS number set up, and that is through the Duns and Bradstreet team. So that's why, again, they call it the DUNS number. There have been talks that the Duns and Brad number is going away and is no longer in use. That's absolutely not true. The Duns number is still an important way to establish business credit reporting and to establish your pay debt score. Now, when it comes to your SAM ID or the government SAM number, unique identifier, that is only if you're looking for federal funding through government contracting, which is totally separate from your business credit reporting process. So I wanted to clear that up. There's some links below in the comments that, well, if you have questions about structuring your business and things of that sort, you can resort to it. But there you have it. This is your Net 30 accounts. This is the information you'll need to establish it. Your paydex is heavily influenced by your DUNS number and on-time payments. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for another episode 5 of Rafs Whiteboard. I will see you next week for episode 6. Tune in, don't miss it. Raf Coaching LLC is the handle. If you need anything, we're here for you at a consulting level. See you next week. Peace.